You guys, welcome back to a new video, and today it's just the player ratings after Liverpool get battered again by Wolverhampton. So firstly, I think that after this there is a lot of people questioning Klopp, but I think we have to stick with him currently, but we just can't keep getting defeat after defeat, so something has to change. And yep, so let's get into the player ratings. So first up is Allison, who for me he conceded 3 goals, so for that reason I will give him a 5 average. Yep. And guys, let me know in the comments if you want me to start doing the mental performance, the gameplay performance, and the position one. So next up is Andy Robertson. For me, he was poor. 3 for him. His defending was average, but his actual attacking play was dreadful. And Alexander Arnold also gets a 3. After him and Robertson were the same. So yes. Next up is Joel Matip. He was dreadful. 3 for Matip and so 2 for Gomez because he cost us that third goal when we were still in it, kind of. But the whole backline today was dreadful, and you can't keep playing Matip and Gomez together because it doesn't work. Now next up is Stefan Bajcetic. For me, I'm gonna give him a 6 because, and also I'll give him the man of the match because for me he's the youngest player on the pitch, but he looks world class. He basically wins every challenge. He's confident with the ball at his feet, which I think he is better than Fabinho at with his feet. So yeah. So next up, Thiago. I think he has been very inconsistent this season, and a lot of Liverpool fans obviously like him, but for me, I think that this season he has been too inconsistent, and for that reason, today I will give him a 5. And now Naby Keita, he missed a few chances, so I'm gonna give him a 4. And he couldn't actually generate the shot power in a lot of his chances, which is poor if you are a professional footballer. So 4 for Naby. So now, Darwin Núñez actually had a great shot saved, but once again he missed that one-on-one. And at the end of the day, that's what the critics will look at, is that missed chance. And for that reason, he will be on a 4 as well, because he didn't really do a lot apart from those things as well. Gakpo next. 4 didn't do enough for me, but obviously he's coming into a Liverpool team that don't have any confidence or anything, so 4 for him. And now Mo Salah, I'm gonna give Mo a 2. He isn't performing currently, and I don't get why he drops Fabinho, Henderson when they're not performing, but doesn't drop Salah. Because Harvey Elliott came on, played very well, was one of our best players. But Salah can't keep performing like this on the new contract that he's on. and I don't think his heart is with the club anymore, and I think that he'll move on in the summer. So anyway, guys, there are the ratings. Make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you agree with me. And thank you for watching, and peace.